Hi everyone, I am back for another episode on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in one more time. Today's inspiration is gonna be a fun, a quirky, very teenage girl vibe-ish. I brought some containers that I thought were fun and frilly and very feminine and happy. As you can see, this is a face with like the lips and the cheeks, and then this one's got the cute eyelashes and the lips. Anyways, and then we've got this white ceramic container that is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And then we have this beautiful tray that you can actually do a lot of fun stuff with. I was originally going to do flowers in here, then I decided that I actually prepared a container for it too. Then I decided right before shooting that I don't want to do that. That's very typical. So I'm going to just do these three arrangements. Again, if you go onto your screen on the eye, which is on your right hand side, which is on my left right here, that's the information for the YouTube channel, for my YouTube channel. We have polls there, we have new things that are developing on there, and also the community. I want you to watch the community space as well. I want you to follow me on all social media if you may. Not forcing you guys to, but would love for you to see what we're doing. Girls love the colors pink, or the color pink. And so I'm doing a variation of like a peachy, pinky, lavender kind of tones in these arrangements. And we've got beautiful sweet peas, peonies, hyacinth, ranunculus, dahlias. The dahlias are not holding up pretty well today for some odd reason. They came in this morning, but they didn't feel like they're doing so well. But there's ways of like cleaning out the dahlias from the back like this to get rid of the wilting petals. Anyways, I just did one for you to see on camera. I hate to throw things away, and at this point I can't call my supplier and tell them that you know, they didn't do well because I've already cut them up. So the unfortunate part in the flower business, once you buy the flowers, you are not able to return them. You know, even within the 24 hours, it's usually very hard to prove that the flowers came in not so good. So I got rid of this. So look at these peonies. They're fully blown. I bought them open because of the intention to doing the arrangements like really fully big and luscious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these three and I'm gonna work on them all kind of together, if I may. And what I've done with this, I've taken chicken wire and just fill it with water so that there is no oasis foam in this one. And this should be able to hold these. So going back, doing my peonies in each arrangement. And every girl loves her peonies. I mean, there is no girl that doesn't love a peony. It's the most requested flower for us, but it is not often in season. It happens once a year. It happens in the month of May and June. Sometimes we can stretch it out to, you know, August, depending on the weather. Now I'm going to take my hyacinth and I'm going to clean it off, and then I'm going to group it into twos. So I have more surface space to cover. Look at that's pretty. That's coming out really pretty. You guys are making some wonderful comments on my YouTube page. I appreciate you guys. And if you have certain things that you want me to work on, I would love to hear your feedback. Or if there's any other videos that you want to see. I think you're going to see in a couple months that we're going to have a full-on videos of master floral arrangements, but we're working on that as well too. So I'm going to take a little bit of time. Now, the hyacinths are all done. Then I'm going to take my dahlias and I'm going to closely group them together. I've got 2 more stems of the dahlias. Now those buds are really cool. These were really cool buds, but because it's not gonna go with the coloration, I'm not gonna use them. I'm not gonna do the emphasis on that. Now I'm going to take my sweet peas, these beautiful sweet peas, and I'm going to cluster and then insert. Oh, these are twins. I'm going to take my ranunculus. I'm going to take a couple of stems. Look how gorgeous that is. Let me start with the other one. Again, I'm going to take the sweet peas. I'm going to layer it. You know, you can do something like this and have your kids' girlfriends come and you can actually do a whole flower arranging kind of a project together with the little girls, like when they're coming over, like a sleepover. You can do cute stuff like this. The great thing about it is it's in water, so I'm not even worried about re-watering. I just need to take care of it and add fresh flowers. I mean fresh water every day. All right, let me take the rest of these. And since I've cut the stems already, I want to make sure that I don't miss out on putting them and not wasting them. That's it. Let me finish this off by cleaning the space, and you'll catch me real soon. Look how cute and adorable this teen floral arrangements look came out. I decided, I know what I'm doing with this tray. At first I was like, hey, I'm gonna use it for the floral arrangement as I talked about. And then I decided that I don't wanna use it for that and I don't wanna use it for a display. And so what I decided to do is put votives, and I'm just gonna fill water. This is so cool. So you see the water right now? So pretty. I'm gonna take my ranunculus and I'm just going to float them in like this. Oh, I ruined this one, so what I'll do is I'll break this apart and I'll use the petals like this. It's okay. And then I'm gonna continue to take the ranunculus, just the heads, and float them. Some of them are coming apart, so look at that. Look at how pretty that is. It's like the no-brainer tablescape that you can do if you wanted to. Anyways, this is done. You don't have to light the candles or anything on this for right now, just for the camera. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna put this away, throw this trash out, and see. This, even the simplicity of this, you can even do this as your teenage party or for a bat mitzvah. You can do your candy station. with decorations like this. You can do the place card table arrangement. You can do tablescape this way. You can host a flower arranging class. Not even a class, but just a flower arranging kind of a get together with your friends. Even your relatives, you can do this. Again, thank you so much for tuning in and watching all these YouTube episodes. I hope you're getting inspired as much as I get so inspired to do these videos. I appreciate all the comments that you guys are making. I love you guys, and stay tuned for the next episode, and peace out.